Okay, this is the lesson on phonemic awareness for Unit 5, Week 5. This is the one where you just listen and respond to the sounds that I give you. Okay, the first one is to listen as I say these three sounds. B, oi, o. Now I'll blend the sounds together and say the word. B, oi, o. Boil. Say the word together. Boil. Okay, I'm going to say some words, sound by sound, blend the words together, and say the word. J, oi, joy. I can't see. V, oi, s, voice. Oi, ol, oil. K, oi, n, coin. P, oi, n, t, point. N, oi, z, noise. Okay, now listen carefully as I say a word. Coin. How many sounds are in the word coin? K, oi, n. How many sounds? 3. Okay, listen carefully as I say these words and tell me how many sounds are in each word. Oi, ol. How many sounds? 2. Oi and ol. J, oi, n. How many sounds? 3. Spoil. How many sounds? S, p, oi, ol. 4 sounds. Joy. J, oi, 2 sounds. Noise. N, oi, z, 3 sounds. Point. P, oi, n, t, 4 sounds. Voice. V, oi, s, 3 sounds. Broil. B, oi, ol, 4 sounds. Okay, listen carefully as I say 3 words. Shirt, first, park. Which one of these words does not belong? Shirt, first, park. Okay, the word that doesn't belong is park because shirt and first both have the sound. Park has R. Okay, listen to these groups of words and tell me which word does not belong and why. Verb, torn, her. Say the 3 words. Verb, torn, her. Which word does not belong? Okay, torn. And why is torn not part of that? Because the others end in or have the sound, and torn has the or sound. Okay, listen to these 3 words. Barn, farm, shirt. Okay, which word does not belong? Barn, farm, shirt. Okay, shirt, because barn and farm both have the sound R, and shirt has the sound Okay, germ, third, star. Germ, third, star. Which word does not belong? Star. Why? Because germ and third both have and star has R. Okay, sport, corn, stir. Sport, corn, stir. Which word does not belong? Stir, because sport and corn both have or, and stir has Okay, arm, hurt, card. Arm, hurt, card. Which word does not belong? Hurt, because arm and card both have R, and hurt has Okay, born, first, term. Born, first, term. Which word does not belong? Well, born does not because first and term both have and born has or. Okay, now I want you to listen to these words or to the sounds. F, oi, ol. Now listen as I blend them together. Foil, foil. Okay, listen carefully as I say some more sounds, blend them to make the words. T, oi, toy. B, oi, boy. S, oil, soil. Oil, broil. Voice, voice. Ois, choice. Oist, moist. Oil, spoil. Okay, and last, I want you to listen to a word and say each sound in the word and tell me how many sounds you hear. Boy, oi, 2 sounds. Join, oi, 3 sounds. Oist, moist, 4 sounds. Spoil, oi, 4 sounds. Toy, oi, 2 sounds. Choice, oi, 3 sounds. Okay, and listen as I say a group of sounds, then blend the sounds together to form a word. Oi, coin. Oi, boil. Oi, joy. Oi, soil. Oi, spoil. Okay, and that are the sounds. Now let's look at a paper though. You want to work on writing. I'm just adding this to the end of this, even though it doesn't quite go with the lessons that we're doing, or with the phonic awareness, but it is writing sentences. We talked about this the other day. Okay, first of all, put your name on the paper. So I'm going to write Mrs. DeLuca. Once again, don't forget to write your name on your paper. Make that a habit as soon as you get it. Put your name on it. Okay, what is your favorite coin? Okay, this year, what coins have we talked about? We've talked about the penny. Who's on the penny? Abraham Lincoln. What's on the back? Lincoln Memorial. How much is it worth? 1 penny. 1 cent. Okay, what's the next coin? The nickel. The nickel's worth 5 cents. Okay, and what's the next coin? The dime. Dime's worth 10 cents. Okay, who's on the front of the dime? Roosevelt. What's on the back? The leaves. And the next coin is the quarter. Who's on the front of the quarter? George Washington. What's on the back? Eagle. How much is a quarter worth? 25 cents. And who was on the front of the nickel? Thomas Jefferson. What's on the back? Monticello, his house. Okay, so which one is your favorite coin? Okay, let's pick the dime. Okay, or let's pick the quarter because it's worth more. Okay, so what is your favorite coin? Well, we're going to use part of the question to answer it. So we're going to mark out your, because when I answer it, then I'm talking about my. So it's going to be my favorite coin. Remember, it has to be a capital M because it's the first word in the sentence. My, leave space between the words. Whoops, I am going off the line. I don't know why today I'm having so much harder time. I think it's because I'm working on a table that's taller today. So it's not quite as easy. My favorite, and all I have to do is copy the word. But remember, there's the word or in favorite. My favorite coin is space the and space quarter. That's Q and U always go together. Quar. I hear that says or instead of R. It's not quarter, it's quarter. And a period at the end. So we began with a capital, ended with a period. We have space between our words. My favorite coin is the quarter. Okay, good. What is your favorite toy? Again, mark out your and put my because we're talking about ourselves. So my favorite toy is, and you can pick a favorite toy there. So I'm going to start my favorite. We've written favorite so much lately, we should begin to know how to spell it. My favorite toy is, and you could put what you want, is, let's say, my basketball. I know that you all have other ones that you will think of. Hopefully they're not all video games. Hopefully that you play with something else now and then. Basketball. Compound word, put two words together, period at the end. Okay, what color is a mouse? Okay, so this is no longer what is your favorite. So a mouse, a lot of times we have the word is, we have to switch it around a little bit. A mouse, and then we come back is, and then put the answer. So A has to be uppercase. We're using the word A because mouse begins with a consonant. So we're not using an, we're using a. Space between our words. A mouse is, what color is it? A mouse is gray. Or maybe even brown. Can mice be brown? Okay, and a period at the end. And how do you know when it's fall? So, how do you know? Well, I, change the you to I know, we don't have to put when. I know it's fall when. We're going to put when here at the end. So, we're going to come over here. I know. I'm not getting on the line because I can't hold the paper still with my one hand and right clear down here at the bottom. I know it's fall when what? What makes it fall? When the leaves fall, the leaves fall. Being able to hold on the paper would be nice. Period. Okay, how do you build a house? Okay, again. Well, here you don't have to mark out you. You can put you build a house because here that could be in general. How does anybody build a house? So we're going to start it with you build a house. I wish I could hold this paper still. You build, leave space between your words. A house. Okay, and how do you build a house? You build a house, we could say with wood, okay, or with bricks, whatever you want to put. So we're going to put with wood. This wood is different from the wood of what would you do. This one is double O, with wood and bricks. Okay, there's lots of things you could have written here. If you were writing this sentence, I think I would have some really good answers because some of you are really good at writing sentences. And a period. Okay, and that is the last of the lessons for Unit 5, Week 5.